What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Saturn Aura remote key fob. This Saturn Aura key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our screwdriver and we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side we can see there's this little notch right here. And if your key fob is worn, this can be kind of hard to see over time. This kind of gets worn down and harder to see, but it is there. So what you want to do is take your screwdriver and put it in that notch like that. Then once it's in there, I'll just kind of pry the two halves apart. Once we get our case all the way apart, we can see our battery right here. I'm going to use my screwdriver just to help kind of slide it out of this holder. Once we get that battery out of that holder, I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide it in that holder, then we can snap our case back together, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.